Vipassana walk is a simple yet profound practice of meditation in motion. It is not about reaching somewhere, but about being fully aware of each step. In this practice, you walk slowly, in a natural and ordinary way, but with total attention. You may choose to walk in a circle, or along a straight line of 10 to 15 steps, going back and forth. This can be done indoors or outdoors. As you walk, gently lower your eyes and keep your gaze on the ground a few steps ahead. Let the eyes be soft, not fixed, simply relaxed. Now, the main focus of Vipassana walking is the sensation of the feet touching the ground. Notice the contact, the heel, the arch, the toes. Feel the pressure, the texture, the shifting of weight. Each step is an opportunity to be present. If your mind wanders, if a sound, a thought, or an emotion takes your attention, simply notice it. Do not push it away. Do not judge it. Acknowledge it, and then gently return to the awareness of the feet. This is the same principle as sitting Vipassana meditation, but instead of watching the breath, here we are watching the feet. You can continue this walking practice for 20 to 30 minutes, letting each step become a reminder of presence, awareness, and calm. Vipassana walk teaches us to be mindful not only in stillness, but also in movement. Every step becomes meditation. Every step becomes freedom.